Hey guys, I'm Apurva from bloggingmaker.com. Welcome to my Embassy review. As you can see, we are here at the Embassy dashboard. So Embassy is basically a 100% done for you site where you can create your course or training, or you can say membership style sites, and by using your own products or your own training videos, or you can use others training videos as your own. And in these sites you can monetize your traffic by various banners and offers also. So we will go through all of these features of the software and all the trainings. Okay, so that we will reveal my bonuses that you can find link in the description. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so as you can see here, we are at the dashboard. So after login, you have to go to this section and go to integration section to integrate your autoresponders and other softwares. I will show you. Here you can see various autoresponders are here. You can add your own autoresponders. Okay, so after upgrade, when you upgrade, you will get a mode option to integrate. Okay, so let's get to this tutorial section to see the tutorials. Okay, so here are various tutorials about your software. You can see, wait, it will be loading. So you can see various tutorials about the software. So Embassy overview of the system integration, how you can integrate, how to set up your done for your campaigns, how to create new campaigns here, how to set up YouTube search for campaigns. So you will get so many tutorials about this software. Okay, so after that you have to go to this product section to add your own products or offers. So I'll show you. I'll show you. This is the site. This kind of site you can create using Embassy. So here you can see this is a logo. This is the headline and this is the description. This is the background of your website. This is you as a creator. Here is the number one recommendation. So you will, if you click it, you can see this pop-up here. If you click this, then this sidebar is coming. So here is the make money online website, and this is the weight loss website. Okay, you are using create this websites using Embassy. So this is the banner, and this is various trainings. Okay, this is various trainings, and this is the videos of this training. Here you can see the best way to lose half your body weight. Okay, so this is the actually affiliate link of your product, of your trainings. Okay, so let's get to see. Here you can, in the product section, you can you have to first go to this manage your product category. So you have to create your own category. Like you can add JVZoo tutorials, Warrior Plus tutorials, and various like that. Here you can see for women, for trainings, dog trainings, how to lose weight, my favorite method of making money online. So here you can create various categories. So in those categories you have to add your products. Okay, so here you can see you have to click on new, create a new button to create your category. So let's create one. So here you can see, you have to give a product category name, and this is the description of your product category. So I just put a test demo. Okay, next you have to give a description. I just put random something. After that, create now. So my category is created. After that, I have to add some products on this category. So I have to go back to the product section to add some product on the test demo category. Okay, so let's go to and say, here you can see some products are already added. So you can edit this and put your own affiliate link. So these are the products from ClickBank. Okay, so these are the all products are taking from ClickBank. So you can add your own affiliate link from taking from ClickBank. Okay, so here you can add your own products also. So you have to click on create new products. Here you can see you have to give a product name. So like affiliate training. Okay, affiliate training, and I have to choose a product image. Here I have to choose a product category. So here you can see test demo category. and after that you have to give a product accept here, and after that the button here, you can see the button. I'll show you. These are the buttons. So these are the buttons, and you have to give a product button text here. So click now. Just I have to randomly put pattern text, and you have to give your affiliate link in this section. So these are the buttons, and this here you can here you have to give your affiliate link, and after that you can you have to click on create new button to add a product on test demo category. So in this way you can add as many products as you want on one category. Okay, when someone click on this my source resource option, they will see these options. Okay, they will see the products. Okay, after that let's go to the video URL section. In the same way you have to create your own category on the video section, and you have to add your own you can add your own videos, or you can add others videos. So here you can see in this you have to go to this manage video URL collection here. So in this section you have to create your own category. So here you can see some categories are created. I just create some category over here. Okay, so I just create a test demo in this section also. So just here you can see video URL creation name, collection name. So just give a test demo, and after that you have to same way you have to give your description. So just click on create now button, and my category is created, collection is created here you can see. So after that go back to the video URL section, and now I have to add one by one videos, or I can add here you can see you have to go through some process here to add your YouTube search API. Here you can see some instructions are given. After that when you put API key here, you can add so many videos in one category. Okay, so but before that you can add your videos in one by one. Here you can see after clicking on add new button, you can add videos one by one in your collection. Okay, so here you can see you have to give your URL name. So these are the names, I'll show you. So these are the names of your videos. So you have to give your name here, and give your collection. Here is the collection, and this is the video URL. You have to give your video URL here. You have to give a video URL description, and after that create new button. Click on create new button. So your video is created. So after that let's go to the campaign section. In this campaign section you will see some campaigns. So these are the campaigns, or website you can say. Okay, so your website or your campaigns. So you can create as many campaigns as you want, and in various niche. Okay, so let's get to see the campaigns here. So here you can see weight, how to lose weight. So this is the campaigns of how to lose weight, and this is the campaigns of make money online. So this is the campaigns over here. So you can view it, you can edit it, and you can delete it also, and you can create at your own here. So you have to click on create new button. I will create my campaigns. I will show you how to create a campaigns as your own. Okay, so here you have to give your campaigns title here. So this is the title of your campaigns. So I just copy it and put it here, and this is the campaign's name. So you have to give your campaign's name in this section, and you have to choose a theme color and give a description. So this is the description of your campaigns. So I just put one, and I just give a campaign's name lose weight. Okay, so you have to choose your banner image. So this is the banner image. Here you can see this is the banner image. So after that you have to give your registration headline. After that this is the ad banner. So I'll show you. This is the ad this is the ad, and you have to choose in this section your ad banner and ad URL. So yeah, everyone whenever click on these banners, they will redirect it to your affiliate link. Okay, so after that you have to choose your video collection include. You can choose your video collection in this section. So these are the videos, video collection. Whenever you choose any video collection, those videos are pop up on your training section in this section. Okay, so after that, here you can see the site setting. So you have to give your site name here. After that you have to write something about your site. Okay, after that you have to give your the creator name. So this is, I'll show you. So this is the creator name. Here you can see you have your name is here, and this is the creator title. So the personal trainer, this is the title of your before name. Okay, and you have to choose your spoken language here in this section. In the Bengali you can choose, and after that creator quote here. So this is the quote of your website. Okay, this will show in this section. After that, in this section, drop down setting. So whenever everyone click in this button, so they will see a pop-up. Here you can see this is a pop-up. I'll show you in the same section. So these are my number one recommendation. So everyone click on this button, so they will see some pop-up. Okay, so you have to give your text here. So this is the text of this button. So my number one recommendation, you can add your own text, but text here, and give a text contact video URL in this section. Okay, after that give a video content introduction. So if you click this, you can see this is the description, or you can say introduction of your videos. And after that, drop down content button. So these are the buttons. Here you can see, click here to join the program. So these are the buttons text you can add here, and after that you have to give your affiliate link in this section. So whenever someone click on these buttons, they will click on your affiliate link here. Okay, after that this is the side panel setting. So I will show you, this is the side panel. So everyone click on this my resource button, they will see this side panel. So you have to put your offers here. So here you can see side panel trigger button type text. So this is the text my source. So you can add your own text here. After that you have to choose a product category. So here you can see I create text demo in this video. So I just put the text demo here. After that, here you can see integration of autoresponders. So when you add the integration in this section, you will see you have to choose those integrated or software here. After that you have to choose choose the list of your autoresponder here. Okay, so after that you have to click on create now button to create the campaigns. So after that, this campaigns is look like this. Okay, your campaigns is look like this. So every video, as many as video as you want, you can add in your trainings. Here you can see you can use others videos as your own. You can add your own video in this section. So these are the very cool features are done for you. Training website or membership style website you can create with Embassy. Okay, after that, in the upgrade section you will see some upgradation of the software. So you can upgrade your software in this section. Okay, let's go to the other section. Here is the another upgrade section. In this section you will see some trainings about affiliate marketing, about how to make money online and how to get free traffic. Okay, so let's see. So here you can see upgrade page. So you can see this video here. You can see the done for you section. So various automation, ATM edition. So these are the various OTOs of the software. I will go through and the prices of the software after that. Okay, so let's see the bonuses that I pick for this software. Okay, so this is the bonus page of mine. You will get this link in the description. The first link will be the bonus page link, so you have to click on the first link of my description and you are redirected to this page. And here you can see fully automated 100% done for you affiliate system with built-in free buyer traffics. Okay, so this product is launched on 5th April, which is today 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And here you can see I'll make a reviews in this section. So here you can see what is Embassy all about. Embassy is a cloud-based app that creates 100% done for you courses, membership styles sites using other people's content, videos, and you can legally monetize your leads, sales, and commissions here. After that, what I love about this software in this section, and after that you will get the pricing. I will go through all this, but before that let's see the bonuses. So my first bonus is email marketing basic to advanced training. So I will go through all the basic and advanced training of email marketing. So after that, let's go to the bonus number. I show you how to use Bing ads for list building. Okay, next bonus is 50 awesome design call to action buttons. So I'll give you 50 awesome call to action buttons that you can use on your campaigns. Okay, next is exclusive bonus is free traffic from Reddit. So I'll show you how you can drive traffic from Reddit. Reddit is a famous Reddit is a famous social media platform that you can use on your free drive traffic campaigns. Okay, next is 100 best selling books. I'll give you only free. Okay, next bonus is all the exclusive bonuses from vendor. Okay, so after clicking any of these buttons, you are redirected to the sales page. So the sales page is look like this. Okay, so you have to click on these red buttons to avail all the bonuses and all the vendor bonuses also. So I'll show you the vendor bonuses. So the first vendor bonus is $1,000 no cost auto bot. After that, second bonus is 225 daily instant affiliate check. After that, 0 to 1000 a day in 3 days. After that, fourth bonus is first sale in next 33 minutes, and you will get a 30 days money back guarantee also. Okay, so let's see the prices of this software. So the front end price is only $17. After that, OTO 1 is unlimited, Embassy unlimited, which is $67, and OTO 2 is 100% done for you, which is $97. OTO 3 is unlimited traffic, which is $97. OTO 4 automation, which is $67, and OTO 5 ATM edition, which is $67, and OTO 6 license right, which is $197. Okay, so after purchasing the Embassy software, you will redirect it to this thank you page, and you have to click on these buttons, these blue buttons, to get all the bonuses. You will get all the bonuses in the blue button. You have to click on this blue button. So thank you guys, I hope you love the video. I hope you understand what is Embassy is. If you find anything wrong or anything helpful, then please comment down below, and comment down your thought about this software also. So thank you guys, bye bye.